I just turned on the volume a bit. Alright. And so what I'm doing here now is this stream. I'm going to be doing some Python. Yay! So yeah, I'm just doing Python. This is a simple game I made. If we run it, it's just 0, 1, 0. Oh no, I lost. Let's do 1. I won. 0, 1. If you can do whatever you want. And I won 2 times, which is less than an average game. An average game would be 2.5 points, which will never happen. So I can walk you through the code and tell you what this does. So just inputs the random stuffs for... Also, yeah, if I run this again, if you type in like, hello, and so yeah, it doesn't work. You can't do that. But if you do like 11, cheater, even if you would never do that. Integer, it's an integer, it has to be an integer. If I do like 5, cheater, 5, you can do that for what typo was it? Oh yeah. So it's wait, what? At line 1. Okay, so that was some weird thing, I don't know about. So if you do that 2 times. Okay, but, so it just imports the random function, then it defines game A, and that's just, there's a global variable win streak, player number equals integer input 0 or 1, that's just the text there, and then it has to type that in, and it has to be an integer. If player number exceeds 1 or player number is less than 0, print cheater, game 1. So it just redoes it. And I don't remember what, I think that thing there, A, is used somewhere, but it's not used anymore. It's a legacy feature. Which I could just remove, in fact. The A in game. Then let's see what happens if I do that. Because I don't think there's an A anywhere. If you run that. Does it do anything? Yeah, it works. Okay. So if it's not valid, then it says AI number to random, to just a random integer between 0 and 1. And if player number is equal to AI number, then it increases the win streak that by 1, and then it prints, congratulations, you win. If you don't, it doesn't increase that, and it just says, oh no, you lost. So another way I could do this is just have that be if it exceeds 0. Then do that, and I just have it make that. I can actually let me do that because 0 and then else win streak. Give me a second. Plus equals or minus equals 1. 1. What? Okay. I don't know what that was. Give me a second. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. That's just doing stuff. So, yeah, let's just test this out. 1, 1, 1. I won -3 times. Okay, so. Let me just do this. I'm gonna do a new variable called games equals int input, and then we're gonna have how many games? How many games? Games. Yep. Good. All right. All right. Wrestling games. Let's say you lost every single time, then it would be negative games, so. Win streak plus games. Let's see if that works. So. 1, 1. Okay. Won 0 times. Alright. So now it works. Let's do 10 games. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Won 6 times. I won less than an average game. Wait, what? Let me think. So. Well, how many times did I actually win? So it was -1, -2, -3, -2, -3, -2, -1, 2, 3. So I won only 3 times. Oh, so make that games. What if that's games divided by 2? This maybe is a bit weird. Let's retry that. How many games? 10. 1, 1, 1. I won 5.0 games. Whoops. 0 or 1. Oh no. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. I'm on 6 times. Huh. Give me a sec. So, I gotta figure this out. So, 1 streak plus. Let's say we lost all 10 games. Then we'd have -10. We'd have to add 1 streak. We'd have to add games. It'd be -1? Or it'd be minus or plus 1? I'll just start with 1 streak for now. And so then I'll just file, save. So that's just the game I was working on. That's the settings. But you file, it's a Python file. And now we can just do A, B, C, Alright, so Noah 927569. I love you, Dale. Thank you. I haven't been reading chat. I'm sorry for that. I'm just doing Python. Python is programming language. Let me just do. Well, first I have to come up with something. So let me remember what a comment is. Python, also known as search it up on Google. Python comment, because I remember it's not a // Oh, so it's just a hashtag symbol. Got it. Shift hashtag game ideas. And then I'll just put hashtag. So I'll just do, let me just make that ideas. Ideas and let me just come up with one. So I could do a text adventure. That is a simple idea. Just coming up with simple ideas. Then alright. I'm coming up with ideas. But by the way, if you have any ideas, please put them into chat. I need ideas. I'll just choose a different song. Nice. Let me just back in the corner. Alright.